this is Tomlin from TomlinHarmonicaLessons.com, and this week I am going to show you how to play a really simple chugging pattern with some short little blues licks. So this is for beginners on the instrument. If you're more of an advanced player, then you might want to do some of my more advanced lessons. So you will need a C harmonica. We're playing in second position in the key of G, and let's get started by learning the chugging pattern first of all. So that's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay, so I want you to get into the habit of counting with me. That'll make your rhythm a lot stronger and more internalized. So before we get to the counting, let's look at how to actually do the chugging. So we're going to play something called a chord. A chord has 3 or more notes in it played simultaneously. So the notes that we're going to play are going to be on holes 1, 2, and 3, and we're going to start with a draw, so that's an inhale, and then play a blow, and then a draw. That'll be, okay, and those are 8th notes. So those are notes that last for half a beat. So you're thinking of it as 1 and 2. Okay, so that's draw, blow, draw. So let's try that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3. Okay, so you'll notice that I'm adding in this count on beats 3 and 4. That's just so you get used to where you are in the bar, and also when we start playing the blues licks, that's where they're going to go. So that's why we're leaving that space there. So let's try that chugging pattern one more time, and then we'll move on to learning the licks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay? Right. Now let's have a look at the first lick, which is going to sound like this. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, so this is a nice little call and response lick. So we're starting on beat 3, we're playing a 3 blow, and then we're going to play a 4 blow on beat 4. So 1, 2. Okay, so you're playing a long note for the 3 blow. It's going to last for the whole beat. That's a quarter note. And then you're going to play a 4 blow on beat 4 with an 8th note rhythm, so that's half a beat. And then the second half of the lick, you're doing exactly the same thing, but you're going to add in a 3 draw in between the 3 blow and the 4 blow. So you're going to do, with that 8th note rhythm, 3 blow, 3 draw, 4 blow. Okay, so let's try that together nice and slowly. 1, 2. 1, 2. Cool. All right, so that is your first little lick. The second little lick is going to sound like this. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, so similar idea, just slightly different notes. So we're starting on beat 3 with a 3 draw, and then we're going to play a 4 draw on beat 4. That's the first half. 1, 2. Okay, and then the second half, we're going to play 3 draw, 4 blow, 4 draw. So let's try that second half. 1, 2. Okay, now let's put both halves together nice and slowly. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, right. Now, this is where the challenge comes in. So if you're unable to play those licks just yet, then maybe pause the video and work on them a little bit. But if you're feeling feisty, let's put it together with the chugging. So this is where it's going to start sounding really cool. So remember what the chugging was? Draw, blow, draw on holes 1, 2, and 3. So you're going to do that, and then you're going to play lick 1. So it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we don't have any space, so let's try that really, really slowly. We're going to do the chug, and then we're going to switch back to playing single notes for the lick. So chug, then lick 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the most important thing is to make sure that you are playing the chords with a nice wide mouth shape, you've relaxed your lips, and that you're playing the clean single notes with a nice tight mouth shape. So your lips are back engaged into just singling out one hole. That's really, really important. What people tend to do with this is they tend to make the chords a little bit too tight and the single notes a little bit too wide, and they end up with something a bit more like this, which doesn't sound very nice. You want to have the distinction between the chords and the single note. And that's what makes it sound really cool. So let's try that one more time. Lick 1 nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. All right, now let's try that with lick number 2. So exactly the same idea. Try that nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool, sounding really, really good. Now, if you're getting comfortable with switching between the chords and the single notes, I've got a bonus lick 3 for you to learn, which is going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so exactly the same rhythm as before for the single notes, except that we're playing 4 draw, then 3 draw. So you're making a big jump up to the 4 draw. So 4 draw, 3 draw, and then on the response, we're doing 4 draw, 4 blow, 3 draw. Okay, so that'll be okay, let's try that together nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, excellent. Now, final challenge. Let's try stringing each of these licks together without any breaks between them and play along together. So, nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, excellent work. So if you need to spend a little bit more time practicing that, that's totally fine. And then when you've got it completely internalized, what I want you to try doing as an exercise and see if you can kind of improvise those licks. So play the chugging as it is all the way through and leave that space and improvise in that space with those notes that you've got. So you can do and just try and make up your own rhythmic patterns with it, and you'll sound super, super bluesy. All right, so to make this easier for you to learn, I've put together audio clips of me playing it nice and slowly, and also a tab sheet for you to download. And all you need to do to get that is click on the link in the description below, and that'll take you to a page where you can put your email address in, and I will send you all of those goodies to help you learn this. All right, thank you very much for watching. Before you run away and get that download, give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I put out a new harmonica video every single Wednesday. All right, see you next week. Happy harping.